Hey there, crypto curious. Let's take a deep dive into what cryptocurrency might look like in 2025 and answer that burning question. Is it still worth getting into? Grab your virtual wallet and let's explore together. First, let's address the elephant in the room. The crypto market's wild roller coaster ride. We've seen Bitcoin hit astronomical heights and gut-wrenching lows. But here's the thing. Despite the volatility, institutional adoption is steadily increasing. Major banks that once dismissed crypto are now creating their own digital asset divisions. That's like the cool kids who used to make fun of smartphones finally buying iPhones. Times have changed. Looking at current trends, there are some fascinating developments shaping crypto's future. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is revolutionizing traditional banking. Imagine getting a loan without ever stepping into a bank, or earning interest rates that make traditional savings accounts look like pocket change. By 2025, these systems will likely be more user-friendly and regulated, making them accessible to average folks like you and me. Now let's talk about risks, because yes, they're real and they're significant. Crypto remains highly volatile, and for every success story, there's someone who lost their shirt. Here's a pro tip. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Think of it like going to Vegas. Bring your play money, not your mortgage payment. For beginners wanting to dip their toes in, here's my tried and true strategy. Start small and stick to established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's like learning to swim. You don't start in the deep end. Use reputable exchanges with strong security measures and always enable two-factor authentication. It's like having both a lock and an alarm system for your digital assets. One trend that's gaining momentum is the integration of blockchain technology in everyday life. By 2025, you might be using blockchain to verify your education credentials, track your food's origin, or even vote in elections. Cryptocurrency is just one piece of this technological revolution. Here's an interesting prediction. By 2025, we'll likely see more countries either adopting crypto as legal tender or launching their own digital currencies. El Salvador took the plunge with Bitcoin, and others are watching closely. It's like the early days of the internet. Countries that adapt early might have a significant advantage. Environmental concerns about crypto mining are pushing innovation in sustainable solutions. By 2025, we'll probably see more eco-friendly mining methods and energy-efficient blockchain networks. It's like the shift from gas-guzzling cars to electric vehicles. The technology is evolving to meet environmental challenges. So is crypto still worth getting into in 2025? Here's my take. If you approach it with education, caution, and a long-term perspective, yes. The key is understanding that crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's an emerging technology that's reshaping our financial system. Remember this. The best time to learn about crypto was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Start by educating yourself, stay updated with market trends, and don't let FOMO drive your decisions. Think of it as planting a tree. The best results come with patience, care, and time. Whether you decide to invest or not, understanding cryptocurrency will be as essential as understanding the internet is today. The future is digital, and crypto is likely to play a significant role in that future. Just make sure you're strapping in for the right reasons and with the right expectations.